We've been tasked with repairing a concrete area to a small garden. It's got lots, as you can see from the initial shot, it's got lots of small cracks which we've widened up to make sure they can take some repair mortars and stuff. We're going to use products from a company called Rizistal, who make an amazing array of repair products and surface coatings for just these conditions. This particular one is a deep fill repair mortar. We're going to use that to repair this deep hole in the concrete. And the instructions come on the lid. It's a two parts. There's the hardener inside the tub with the resin. We're going to mix that together with a paddle mixer. You'll see that being used. We're going to use the trowel to put it into the hole, and then we're going to clean our tools and everything down with some safety solvent from Rizistal. People ask us quite often, why do you use epoxy mortars rather than concrete when you're repairing holes? Well, this particular job, this is going to be painted. It needs to be hard wearing. It needs to be 100% waterproof. Concrete, when it dries, develops tiny little fissures, tiny little cracks. Water gets in those. In the winter, that water expands. When it freezes, that makes the crack bigger. More water gets in, and so on and so on. It's called freeze-thaw action. That doesn't happen with epoxy repair mortars. They don't shrink back. They stay smooth, and they're really very, very workable. The main drawback with them is that you don't get long to work with them. This one we've got 20 to 40 minutes to do, which is going to be to use it. That's going to be plenty for what we want to do. So we're going to mix it up and get on, and you'll see it being used. Okay, what you've seen is me using the epoxy deep fill in two pretty deep holes. This can be used up to 150 millimeters deep, believe it or not. That's incredible. But it's quite coarse aggregate. So when we get towards the top, I'd like to feather that out to get it a little bit smoother, and we need a finer aggregate for that. So watch the other video about us using the epoxy repair mortar, grey, and that will see that it's a finer aggregate. It allows me to smooth it out a little bit more. You'll also see another video about a fast flow mortar that we can just tip into these cracks. So this is the deep fill repair mortar. Please wear the proper PPE equipment. We're used to this stuff. We're doing it all the time. Our skin's like leather, but you'll need to wear some gloves and goggles and stuff, so please do. This is an incredible product. This will cure very, very quickly now. Light traffic, 4 to 5 hours, heavier traffic up to 12 hours, and we're going to do all of these cracks and then paint the surface completely. So another fantastic product from Rizistal. We're very, very pleased to be able to use it.